So hello everyone, welcome again. This is DI series, Data Interpretation series for NPSC, and I'm solving all the previous year question that mains question. I solved already 2016 mains DI questions. I already solved 2014 mains DI question. Today in this video we'll be solving 2015 mains DI question of NPSC. So you can see this is a pie chart and there is a question. So first you have to observe the question. First see the question. There are two pie charts and showing that. I hope it's visible. If it's not visible then I'll write this is 25% and all. देखो, percentage of 6 different garments in a store 1. Got it? Percentage of 6 different garments in store 2. There are 6 types of garments, A, B, C, D, E. Like you can imagine, like A is a garment, B is a garment, C is a garment, like that. So there are two stores, store 1 and store 2. Okay, and in store 1 there are 19% of A garments, but total garments 12600. So if you want the data like how many pieces of A garments are there, what you have to do, you have to just do simply 19 out of 100, because a circle is always 100%. So 19% out of 100%, if you want to the number, total number, how many pieces of garments are there, you have to multiply 12600. Okay, if you multiply 0 and 0 will be eliminated. So it will be 19 into 126. I have already calculated, because otherwise if I calculate in the video it will be so long. So A type of garment 2394. B types of garment, what do you have to do? 21 by 100 into same 12600. 12600. So 0 and 0 will be eliminated, and 21 into 126, that is yours 2646. So similarly I calculated all the garments pieces. Okay, so A type of garments 2394 in store 1. A type of garments 2175. How देखो यहाँ पे 15% था ना, so it's like 15 by 100 into how many pieces here? This is 14500. So 14500 काटेगा ऐसे करके. If you are eliminating this, you will get 2175 after multiplying with 15. So first you have to calculate. Now read the question. The total number of D and A type garment store 1. Store 1. Store 1 में देखो, they are saying total number of D garments. D how many? 2016. And total number of A garments in store 1, that is your 2, 3, 9, 4. If we add them, this will be 0, this will be 0, नहीं 0 नहीं 1 होगा, just a second. Okay, 1 and here 4 and here it's your 4. So 4410. So if we add these two garments, the number is the pieces are 4410. And the question is the total number of B and D type of garments store 1 approximately double of the number of which garment store 2. अब देखो ये किस नंबर का डबल है in store 2. If you closely observe, it will be the double of this one. देखो closely 2175, 2175, or just simply think this is 2200. Multiply करेगा there is 4400. It's close है ना, close. So they said approximately. So this is the number. Store 2 में A types of garments. Got it? Approximately, won't get the actual data. ठीक है, चलो next question. What is the total number of C types of garment both the stores? देखो यहाँ पे कितना है 1008, यहाँ पे कितना है 2610. So 1008 and 2610, that is your 8163, 3618, 3618. कितना easy था? But easy है, but the calculation will be hard ना. I already calculated, that's why it's taking less time. But in exam hall you have to calculate all of this. Okay, you must be thinking, sir, why we have to calculate everything? आपको calculate करना है, because not just these two questions. This pie chart has, I guess, 6 questions. See the next question. देखो, again I'll write, don't worry, I'll write everything here. So the difference in the number, अच्छा द डिफरेंस इन द नंबर ऑफ विच टाइप ऑफ गारमेंट इन टू स्टोर इज मैक्सिमम। तो देखो मैक्सिमम नंबर कहाँ से आएगा, देखो डिफरेंस कौन सा वाले में डिफरेंस आएगा, 2 3 9 4। देखो ए टाइप्स ऑफ गारमेंट, साउंड लाइक दैट, so A types of garment and A types of garment. Difference hardly will be 200. Okay. B types of garment 2646 and 236. Difference will be 600 like that. C types of garment 1008 and 2610. So difference is like 1600. Okay. Okay. Rest of the thing 700 here 800. So this is like difference is most na 2610 and here 1008. So the difference is like 1600 something. So answer आपका आ जाएगा C types of garment has the difference, maximum difference. Okay, chalo. The number of D types of garment store 1 is more than the store 2 by what percentage approximately? देखो D types of garment कितना है यहाँ पे लिख दो, यहाँ पे भी लिख दो. चलो D types of garments. Oh magic. Sorry, it's a random click. Okay. So D types of garments 2016 here and here 1740. 2016 1740. 2016 and here 1740. ठीक है, 2016 and here 1740. Yes, correct. Now they are saying the number of D type of garments in store 1 is more than the store 2 by what percentage? तो कितना जाता है देखो, 2016 minus 1740 minus करेगा 6, here 7, yes, here it will be 8, so 276. ठीक है ना, so 276 then कहाँ से कंपेयर हो रहा है, then store 2, so 276 by 1740 into 100. Okay, all the options are far away, so we can calculate 0 and 0 gone. Here this will be like 1 time 1 point something, so this is 15%. You can calculate. Okay, because it won't be 2 times. Okay, इससे अगर divide करेगा it won't be 2 times. Okay, hardly it will be 1 point something. Okay, that's why it won't be 3, it won't be 2, it won't be 2, so the option will be 1, starting with 1, that is your 15%. Okay, chalo, next question. Oh, I didn't put the mic na. Chalo. Next. Okay, the number of E type of garments in the store 1 approximately what percentage of garments, what percentage of the number of B type of garments store 2. Okay, E types of लिख दो कितना है store 1 में and B types of garment कितना है. चलो E and B ना, E and B. So E types of garments were 1386 and 2030. 1386 and 2030. 1386 and 2030. So they are saying that E types of garments store 1 approximately what percentage of the number of B types of garment. अब देखो they didn't say the more or less, so you don't have to minus. They are saying what percentage. So 1386 and they said approximately. Okay, don't worry. Then 2030 into 100. So 0 0 gone. अच्छा इससे काटेगा तो it will be hardly 6 times. So this is the only answer. Okay, because 2 से काटेगा तो it will be 6 times ना. So 6 times कहाँ से? That is your 68. Okay, it won't be 4 times, 3 times, 5 times नहीं होगा. So this is how you have to calculate, because they said approximately and the answers options are far away from each other. So you can do that to save your time. Okay, next question. 106. What is the average of A, B, C types of garments store 1? अच्छा चलो A, B, C लिखते हैं ना store 1 में. What is the number of A, B, C? How many pieces were there? A, B, C. 2394, 2394, 2646. 2394, 2646. 2394, 2646, 1008. Okay. So average निकाल लो. Average कैसे निकालते हैं? 2394 add 2646 add 1008. Okay, so 10 8. 8 को 3 से डिवाइड करेगा, लास्ट में जिसका 6 है that would be answer. So दोनों में ही 6 है. तो कैसे करेगा? ओके ओके, सो 4000 कांट बी आंसर बिकॉज किसी में भी 4000 नहीं है. ओके, सो इट विल बी 2006. ओके, बिकॉज वाई वी डिवाइडेड बाई, यस 8 से डिवाइड करेगा तो इट्स विल बी 6 टाइम्स. ओके 6 टाइम्स, या. So this will be the answer. If you don't, if you want to see, देखो we can calculate. 18, 9, 3, 4, 4, 3, 6. Why we are dividing by 3? Because this is the average and you have to divide by 3. And 3 से divide करेगा 316 आएगा last में. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, चल. Okay, next question. Okay, done. So there were 6 questions from this pie chart. I hope you understood. Okay, let's move to our more data interpretation. These are all reasoning type of questions that came in 2015, but we are solving only data interpretations. That's why we'll move to data interpretation only. Okay, easy questions, huh? These are easy questions. In the year of 2014, देखो, this is a bar chart, huh? And they are showing actual quantity. देखो, there are 4 companies: company A, company B, company C, company D. Company A in 2012 produces 250 क्वांटिटी. इसको 100 से 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, बट लीव इट. सो 250 क्वांटिटी, जस्ट इमेजिन इट्स 250 क्वांटिटी. बी टाइप्स ऑफ बी कंपनी प्रोड्यूसेस 450. चलो लिख देता है ना, 450 पीसेस और 450 क्वांटिटी. ओके, जस्ट थिंक लाइक दैट. दिस इज 250. C types of company, C company 150 and D company that is 100. Got it? समझ में आ गया? Yes. So they are saying that which pair of company produces exactly same quantity of 2014 में ना. अरे easy है रे, देखो दोनों ही same कर रहा है ना. Which pair of company produced exactly the same quantity? देखो, this is for company B and C, company B and C and A and D. B and C and A and D. देखो B and C ऐड करेगा तो this will be 500. Why? देखो 250 and 250. So this pair produces 500. ठीक है. Now देखो, this is 50 and this is 450. So if you add these two companies A and D, they produce 500. So this 500 and this 500 equal exactly same. So company B and C together and company A and D also together. So A and D 500, B and C 500. Easy one. Next question. Okay, average production of company B from the year of 2012 to 2015. So company B, Black said, this is your 450, this is yours 250, this is 250 again, and this is your 350. So 500, 1000, 1300, 1300. Total sum 1300. How many years? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years. चलो. So काटेगा तो आपको मिलेगा 2, 3. 3 से कौन सा वाला आंसर है? 3. Okay, 2 and then 5. 3 to 5. So 3 to 5 से कौन सा है? This one. चलो, this one is the answer. ठीक है ना? Next question. I hope you know what is the average sum of all the digits, sum of all the numbers by total numbers. This is your average. Next question. Difference. Acha, I want to skip the question because I didn't get the line. Okay, if you can solve this question, like I'm confused about this line. So if you can solve this question, let me know in the comment section. Question is not hard. I'm just confused in the line, what they are trying to say. Okay, I didn't get it. Next question. What is the percentage growth of the company D from the year of 2012 to 2015? So see, company D, 2012 the production was 100, and company D same 2015 the production was 200. So percentage growth means देखो, from 100 it went to 200. So the growth is 100. ठीक है ना? So the growth is 100. Okay, and if you want the growth percentage, देखो 100 is growing from 100. कहाँ से grow हो रहा है? यहाँ से. So 100 से grow हो रहा है. So 100 is growing from 100 into 100 if you want the percentage. So it's like 100%. बट ऑप्शन में है ये नहीं, द आंसर विल बी 100%. ठीक है, चलो. डोंट राइट दैट 100 है 200 हो गया तो इट्स 200%. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. 100 से ग्रो हो रहा है ना. व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ग्रोथ? What is the percentage growth? Yeah, what is, if they are asking about growth, it's 100. Percentage growth is 100 again. ठीक है, चलो next question. If I'm making any mistake, let me know in the comment. But I don't think I'm making any mistake. It's correct. Yeah, chalo. Next. What is the average production of, what is the average production, sorry, the average production of which company is minimum for the year of 2012 to 2015? So just add all the years ka total production. Company A, 250, 250, then company A is yours 150, then देखो 250 company 1, 250, then this is 150, then this is 50, and then this is 100. So 200, 300, चलो यहीं पे ऐड कर लेते हैं ना, why to do so many times ना. चलो, so this is yours, 250, 200, 300, 500, 550. चलो, company A 550. Company B, okay, I guess company B will win in average 450, 250, 250, and there 350. So this is yours 500, 500, 1300. Company C 150, 400, 250, and then this is 400. So 400, 400, 800. अरे ये भी तो जीत सकता है रे. 400, 400, 800, 800, and 400. This is 1200. नहीं जीता. So चलो, company B का average will be maximum. Why? Because company B has most sum. ना, just a second.